We divide 729 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down these 2 and it is 22. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down this 9 and it is 29. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting, we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 0. So 729 divided by 5 is 145 decimal 8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.